Today, we're going to make a macro mini-zine. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, as well as a pair of scissors. That's about it. Unlike some of our other tutorials, we'll be using legal sheets of paper, which is 8.5 by 14. For this, you'll want to fold it 2 times to make 3 rows of panels. As you can see, it's a little difficult to figure out how high they should be, so it might take a couple turns. Then, for the example, I'm going to draw in black so that it's easy to see where the folds are on video. Next, we're going to fold it to make 4 panels in the other direction. Again, I'm going to draw so that you can see them more clearly on the video. Then, we're going to make cuts from one end until the last panel, and then from the other end to the other last panel, making a Z shape in the paper. When we fold them, it'll go forward and backwards on itself to make one little publication. This will equal about 12 usable pages in one direction, plus a front and back cover. You can also choose to continue the zine after the back cover and get up to 19 frames of content. So if your idea is big enough, why not go ahead and use the whole back sheet? Now with that out of the way, I'm going to jump into a demonstration of making something using all of those frames. This zine is going to be about chess, since it's one of my other obsessions. I chose this because it's something that I can use to fill it out, since there are 9 pieces, 2 of which need a little bit of extra direction, and I can introduce the types of notation that is used to refer to all of them. Instead of just using one color as I go through, you'll see that I start switching colors because the information on each side of the spread is not always related to each other. In this case, I'm using the bishop and the knight as an example, using green and a brown. For each of these pieces, I'm drawing an illustration of what the shape looks like on a physical chessboard, how it moves with a reference to squares of a chessboard, and for that reference, I'm drawing how it would look if you were playing on a computer and just seeing the icons. I'm also giving a little bit of detail on how they attack and also how they can capture. The knight and the pawn are a little bit different, and so those are the ones that get multiple pages. Once I'm done, I'll look it over and inspect, and there you have it, a macro mini-zine about chess. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope that you got something fun out of this. As always, you can download the templates for free at this link below. I'd love to see what you make, so feel free to share your end product with us. Thanks!